Hey guys, welcome back to Alecia at Home. I'm Alecia. I just wanted to come really quick and do a quick little intro to a video that I'm going to be shooting later on today. Well, actually in a few minutes. And I just wanted to just come and say hey and thank you guys so much for your support. And thank you for continuing to watch my videos. I really appreciate it. Also, if you're new to my channel, thank you so much. Please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and if you would leave me a comment, let me know you're new, and if you wouldn't mind, please subscribe. Consider subscribing to my channel. It is for free, so all you have to do is just press the little subscribe button and hit the notification bell, and then you'll also be notified next time I do post a video as well. So if you're an oldie but you're still here with me rocking and rolling, I really appreciate it. I would hope that you would leave me a comment as well. Let me know what you like that I'm doing. If it's something that you don't like that I'm doing, let me know that too, because hey, I'm growing and I want to make content that you all love. So I just wanted to come and just let you all know that today what I'm actually going to be doing, you guys, is redoing my porch. Now I let y'all know before that I'm going to be using my new camera, and it's the Sony vlogger camera. I did do a video on it and I'm going to be releasing that soon as well. So stay tuned for that if you want to get the details on the camera that I have and other YouTube setup information that I have as well. I think that would be helpful to other people that are aspiring to be YouTubers. So that's what I'm using. If my settings are not the best, you guys, I'm so sorry. I am still learning and I'm still working on getting everything great with my camera. This is my porch. Right now, it has my old decor on it. Has my old wreath, which is like purple and stuff like that. It has my old planter pots here. I've already removed my rug, and we had a lot of rainy weather, so you guys, I'm going to be cleaning all of this off. I also have my rocking chair, and this rocking chair has been handed down from some family of mine, and I absolutely love it. Ever since I said that I wanted to purchase a home, I always said, me and my husband both said that we wanted to have rocking chairs. If you didn't know, I am in Texas, and having a porch with rocking chairs on it is just a thing. So this one is really rustic. Again, it has been passed down through my family, and so I normally like the rustic look, you guys, but what I'm gonna be doing is spray painting it and just bringing it back up to life. I'm gonna do some spray painting on it. You can see it here. And so you can also see our pumpkin, that one of the pumpkins that we picked up from Froberg's, and you'll see that video. I actually recently dropped that, released that video. So if you haven't seen it, go back and look at it. Here's one of the pumpkins we got right here. And then here is another item that has been passed down from my sister, and it's actually from my dad. And if you didn't know, my dad passed away earlier this year, and so this is really touching for me to have it. I'm going to clean it up, and I'm also going to be spray painting that antique black. It's already antique black, but it has some rust on it, and I just want to clean it up and get it nice and fresh. So here it is. Okay. And then also I'm going to be just power washing and just cleaning up my porch area. I'm not going to show that, but I am going to be cleaning it up before I get it ready for fall. And I know I'm a little late, but that's okay. Better late than never. And I really think that you're going to love this video, so stay tuned. As you can see, you guys, I went ahead and waited until later at night to get out and really play with my decor. It was the perfect time. It was nice and cool and quiet. The atmosphere was just perfect for me to just get out there and have that time to really play with all of my decor. And so I did about 5 different looks, and I did include them in this video. I really would love to get your feedback. So if you wouldn't mind, leave me a comment below and let me know which one of the 5 looks were your favorite. I really loved all of them, but you know, you can just move everything around as many ways as you want to. I wanted to make sure that the curb appeal was good, and also you can see everything from street view, and you can also just everything just meshed together perfectly. So that at the end you'll get to see how I finally chose to do it, but I'm curious to know what you thought as well. Also, you guys, I decided not to paint my rocking chair. I did go ahead and paint the plant stand. Went ahead and repainted it matte black, but for the rocking chair, I really did kind of fall in love with the rustic look of it and the aging that took place on its own. So I didn't want to cover that up. Watch until the end for a DIY on how I made my home sign. Hey you guys, okay, so I changed clothes here and I'm currently in my backyard, excuse all of the toys, but I wanted to come and show you guys some of the things that I'm going to be doing for my front porch. I went ahead and got these stencils. I don't know if you all have seen the welcome signs that are at everyone's front door. Well, I had a few of them and over time they kind of wear out and I don't like them to be so rustic looking. I like it to be kind of fresh and, you know, a lot of color to pop and everything like that. So I went ahead and got my own stencils and I got those off of Amazon, and if you're interested in that, I'll leave a link in the description box below. So I wanted to come and show you really quick what I'm doing. The wood that I have here, I salvaged it. So if you have some new communities in your area, you can go around where they're building homes, and that's kind of how it is in my neighborhood. They're still building homes, and so they have a lot of salvage wood. And so basically what I did was I got a lot of the salvage wood, and that way when each season comes, I can go ahead and make my own. So this is the paint that I'm going to be using, you guys, for my project. I'm also going to be using this paintbrush here. Okay guys, so I went ahead and came into my garage because the wind was very heavy outside, and it kept blowing the tarp up, and even though I had stuff laying it down on the sides, it still just was better for me to come into the garage and just ventilate the garage versus being outdoors. So what I did here was I went ahead and spray painted my boards. I have 2 of them so far. I have one other one that I'm going to be doing as well. I'll have them for different seasons and different times. So the black one here, I'm just going to do Home Sweet Home. This one, I'm going to do Welcome. Okay, you guys, so this is how far I have come on this board. And as you can see, I do have the stencil, so I'm using my smaller paintbrushes here. The smaller one I'm using to do the lining, and then the larger one I'm just filling in the paint with that. So I'll show you the finished product. I really hope you enjoyed this video. If you wouldn't mind, please comment, like, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so that you can be notified next time I post. Stay safe, stay blessed.